How to enable sound in Google Meet screen share. Hi everyone, I am Eva. I'm here to guide you every step of the way. So, are you ready to dive in? Then let's get started. So, first of all, open the Google Meet app and click on the option New, and here click on Create a new meeting and click on Join meeting. Now press on Join, and there on the bottom of your right hand side you can see three dots over there. So just click on that dot and you can find the option of screen share over there. So just click on screen share and take right on share your device's audio, and that's how you can share screen on Google Meet with audio. So yeah, that's it for this video. If you liked this video, then please hit that like button and subscribe for more.